YouTube. So today we're playing Still Up Raid, right? And yeah, you might be like, what happened to my businesses? I got stolen. Oh wait, can we play a song? Wait, can I play a song in case you hear? Wait. Okay, do that. Okay, y'all hear this? Wait. Wait. Okay, guys, one sec. Gotta Alright, okay. Tell me if you are here.
A baby that can do cartwheels. Giving you this.
Stranger, he walked in looking for danger. When he stares at you, he can train you down and make you fall in love. Heaven knows it. They made him out of fire and roses with an attitude, but he's sweet enough to put him on your tongue. He can be everything you ever dreamed. Ooh, Mr. Electric Blue, I wanna dance like you. How did you get so cool? You got it, you got it, and oh, you got electric soul. You let the good times roll, Mr. Electric Blue. You got it, you got it. They said it fell from space or some supernatural place, Mr. Electric Blue. I know I believe in you.
And here is your Moonbeam ice cream, miss.
Hey, you're that guy who sings beautiful things.
I sure am. Thank you very much.
Your music is terrible.
He's a man, a good, hard-working American, but he ain't the guy you wanna fight and make you buy the dirt. And he said, watch the way you talk to me if you want to keep your two front teeth. Ooh, Mr. Electric Blue, I wanna dance like you. How did you get so cool? You got it, you got it, and oh, you got electric soul. You let the good times roll, Mr. Electric Blue. You got it, you got it. Share like your Mr. Electric, Mr. Electric, Mr. Electric, Mr. Electric, Mr. Electric, Mr. Electric, Mr. Electric. They said it fell from space, from a supernatural place, Mr. Electric Blue.
Alright, wait.
Believe in you.
Okay, I don't know if y'all heard it, but Lucky Block! Wait, oh man, it's not cyber. Wait,
Lucky
I
Block.
need to get a room. I need to get a room right now. Get more room. Sell all these. Don't care. Oh, Tommy Pride is. Oh my! Wait, what is cyber? What the hell is a cyber?
Lucky Block.
Okay, I made Lucky Block.
Lucky Block. Gangster Futera. Lucky Block. Lucky Block.
I need more room!
Παναγιώτη,
Ναι.
θα φας λιπανοπιτάκια, θες cheeseburger, στέρια, θες τυροπιτάκια.
He's a man! A good, hard-working American, but he ain't the guy you wanna fight and make him buy the door.
Los Lucky Blocks.
Los Lucky Blocks.
Lucky Block.
Alright guys, I'm gonna do the next video in an hour. Bye!